DraftSight Professional, Premium, Enterprise, and Enterprise Plus products users now have access to a large library of pre-made frames and title blocks. The frames and title blocks come pre-made for ANSI, BSI, DIN, ISO, and JIS standards. To access the frames and title blocks, go to the Toolbox menu. Select the standard you would like to use. In our case, ISO. And click Close. Next, click the Insert icon in the Frame tab. Select the frame size you would like to use. In this case, A3, and click OK. Follow the on-screen prompts, entering the title block data if you wish. To learn more about DraftSight Professional, Premium, Enterprise, and Enterprise Plus products, visit DraftSight.com.